Omumanyi o ICT Gertrude Nyatichi Mugoi ni gobono abuli abasubati wesokya na kurigia ebirogo aho gusikurwanirira ebirogo by'oburayi asugwakirwa chikura kurende tali okuganya koegwa ebirogo by'obochore gose nominations asatebirenga nabere buya kera omusubati nere kwenyorera libaga buna omusacha asokuriga ebirogo osokurwanirira ebirogo by'oburayi chinsemo ao naboigo bunenchire yemo yoko kinia libaga asabasubati nigo atebirenga abantu tigababwaterane mbabasa gutwara bwoba kiagera Kenya ne yabantu bonsi ayayiga niga yakwana kurwa asensemelia yabo machoge
abasubati kamoranje tiaro compromise values, tiaro compromise morals just because you want to climb the ladder of leadership. As ensabuna Rwanda, ensabuna Botswana, ensabuna Namibia, abasubati niko bari in the leadership, na niko bari abange, na niko bari welcome into the table of making decisions. Lakini kwa what is happening in this country? Kama kwa yanga ntuni kwa tonga mna flower girls. For how long tuwacha kuna flower girls to misused just because you want to climb the ladder of leadership? Kama na java subati, I know what whoever regard know what abana tinyaruka. Would you really want her to be used like you have been used so that on your day we can get this on merit because we have gone to school, we are competitive, we can as well make decisions. It's sound. Na ande if you want something done, tell a woman. But if you want something said, tell a man. Meaning, abakungu, we can bring change and a serious change. We will make sure our community they are standing firm by the decisions we make and make sure that we are involved in decision making. I'm not attacking you, but it's high time we start now looking at things from a different perspective. We got to live in a different way. They need to earn respect that we need as women.